Now that we have learned about database management system, let's discuss what are its advantages and disadvantages. First, we will start with advantages. A DBMS system controls data redundancy. That is, it removes duplicate and unnecessary data. It is easy to maintain and back up the data. Since data is stored on a server, we can share its access with others. It supports multiple user interfaces that gives users ability to do multiple tasks and see multiple data simultaneously. A database management system has its own limitations too. The cost of hardware and software increases as the capacity increases. On an individual level, it may be insignificant, but at enterprise level, it can cost thousands of dollars. The size and complexity of data is another issue for DBMS. For example, the size of primary key is limited to 900 bytes. If DBMS fails, everything starts to fall apart, which marks a negative impact on business. As the size of data increases in database, DBMS face severe performance issues.